It's that little leak that you get that then draws bugs, that then draws flies, and the next thing you know, you have both stink, you've got bugs, you've got germs. A trash can doesn't just get dirty the first time you throw a bag into it.
When they're picking up your trash, it actually cross-contaminates with all of the other trash. After I learned that, I was like, wow, I need my trash bins cleaned. I need all of the germs killed.
We don't use bleach or ammonia or detergent or soap or dryer sheets or vinegar. We use 100% pure water.
Wow. I was shocked after the first one. You look inside and you're like, where was the magic here? Where did you swap out my can for a brand new one?
They left my trash can looking better than when I got it and definitely smelling much better. I've had the best experience with TriStar Bin Cleaning.